welcome back to my channel. So today I have a quick review for you from YGwigs. I'm wearing their glueless lace front wig. The hair is Brazilian. It is a water wave texture and it is 18 inches. The hair color is natural hair color with a pre-plucked hairline. It is 180% density with a medium brown lace color. That was a lot. I will put everything down in the description box for you like always so that you'll have exactly what I'm wearing. I just want to start off by saying that this hair or this wig is one of the softest wigs that I have come into contact with. Right when I opened the bag, the first thing I noticed was the texture and the fact that the hair was super soft, and I did run my fingers through right when I received it, and I was able to glide my fingers right through the hair, and that was like, that's huge for me. So great job YGwigs on that one. So the texture is water wave. However, for me, it kind of mimics more like a 3B type of hair. It kind of has like a mix of kinky hair plus like wave to it. I don't know how to really explain it. I just have not had a texture like this before. I typically do wear large cap or large size wigs because my head's a little bit larger, but I think this is a medium and it is super comfortable, and it's super spacious as well. It does come with 2 combs in the front and 1 comb in the back with an adjustable strap, so you are able to adjust it a little bit and make it smaller if need be or larger if need be, so that's perfect as well. The hairline on this wig also is pre-plucked, and here's the thing, I am not at home right now, and I'm in Dallas and I've been here for the week, and when I put this wig on the other day, I realized I left my Got to Be Glued in the black bottle that I always use to like do my edges and all that kind of stuff, but I brought all of my other things that I use for my wig, so like my tweezers, I had scissors here and a couple other things just to, you know, get the hairline right just in case it needed it and all that kind of stuff, because I did not really look at that before I left home. So I was prepared to go in and do a little bit of customizing for the hairline, but I didn't have to. I did not pluck any of this hairline. I did not really need the Got to Be Glued that I typically use for my like baby hair and stuff, and so I'm very impressed by that. What I'm trying to say is that this wig comes already ready to wear just about. I mean, you could do a couple baby hair here and there, but you don't need like to really go in on it, which was like awesome for me. It kind of saved me a little bit, and so that's another major plus. So I've got nothing but good things really about this wig, and I really wasn't expecting that. I kind of go in sometimes, especially if it's a company that I haven't worked with like a you know, I don't want to get too excited, but I'm pretty excited about this wig and this hair. Now, as far as the tangles and shedding goes, I haven't really gotten any shedding. I've gotten some pieces here and there, but nothing like too crazy. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I believe every wig sheds, no matter how much you pay for it, no matter what anybody says. If your own hair sheds, the wig is going to shed. So that's something that you really just can't get away from, in my opinion. As far as tangles, I've gotten a little bit of tangles here and there. I've only put water in this hair, no other product or anything like that. So yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it for this review. If you have any questions or comments or, you know, anything like that, please put them down below. I always answer you guys and try to help you out whenever I can. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe and follow me on Instagram at JMarie. And that's it. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.